I think so.
Hi, this is your Yosemite Body Shop. Today I trying to making installing everything installed 2019 Porsche 911. 911? Is it 911? Yeah, 911. I trying to make installing. I know a lot of people wants to see remove the part, but it's the opposite. Install the part is you can see you have an idea how we going. We trying to move out in the beginning side mirror. Go to back. Go to, yeah. We're trying to move out this side mirror and door handle because doing the paint job, I don't want to make overspray, so we move out dash molding, side mirror and door handle, but it's extremely it's exposed every job. It's more than Toyota, more than any other vehicle. Porsche is especially they making very not easy, very it's challenge. So I move out 3 hours to spend time. Now I try to install the part. I don't want to move out again, that's why I do everything installing the part. I move out, after move out, I put it in the door handle here, easy to in and out. So now I want to install the part. You have to move out the door handle inside 2 bolt to T30. This one, the other one T30, you have to move out the part. Otherwise, it's not gonna be. You have to move out this, everything, trim panel, inner trim panel, everything, outer trim panel, everything have to move out. Otherwise, it's not work. Also, that side mirror is come with this inside hiding and then come out this way. So let me try to install first. Door handle is the T30, and you try to install the part. First, you have to this one small piece, then door handle go to inside here. First, I want to put in this part. Everything make sure go in here. And rubber gasket. Come over this side.
Who's that guy?
Customer. Hi. Hi. Okay.